Hey guys, good morning. Got a 17 C63 S coupe, pretty heavily modded. Previous owner invested around 20,000 in modifications. Everything was done here at Mercedes-Benz of Houston North, still under factory warranty, since all the mods were done here. Factory warranty still valid. Has exhaust, downpipe, RennTech tune, turbo upgrade. He said it was just shy of 700 horsepower. Black and the red pepper interior. Give you guys a shot of the inside here. Carbon fiber package. Current mileage 33. Thing sounds absolutely amazing. Any other questions, specific pictures, feel free to ask. Thanks.